In a breather for the Modi government, the Supreme Court has refused to stay the implementation of the controversial Citizenship Act after a clutch of petitions sought its withdrawal or delay as they argue that it violates the basic structure of the constitution. The three-judge bench headed by CJI S.A. Bobde, which heard the matter, has given centre 4 weeks to respond to the petitions. The apex court also said that it may refer pleas challenging the validity of the act to a larger constitution bench. AG Venugopal told the bench that the government wanted time to respond to the pleas, while senior advocate Kapil Sibal urged the bench to put CA on hold and postpone exercise of the NPR for the time being. The apex court has restrained all high courts from taking any plea till a final decision is taken on the act. The Supreme Court also segregated the Tripura and Assam matters on the Citizenship Act. The Supreme Court order has evoked a lot of reactions. Swaraj India leader Yogendra Yadav expressed his disappointment with the Supreme Court order, calling the Supreme Court a reluctant warrior in battle to defend constitution. He urged the citizens to continue their movement against the law. This as 3 states, Kerala, Punjab and West Bengal, have refused to implement the act in their states. While Kerala and Punjab have already passed a resolution against the act, West Bengal will be passing a resolution on 27 January. Meanwhile, the anti-CA protests refuse to die down across the country. The protesters at Delhi Shaheen Bagh are still determined. They say the protests will go on till the contentious act is rolled back. However, at the same time, Home Minister Amit Shah has dug in his feet and said that the centre will not withdraw CA. It remains to be seen how this deadlock between the citizens and the government will be broken.